Makita is a leader in the circular saw category. Now get one that'll cut 4x in a single pass. The Makita 10 1/4 circular saw. This is a new addition to Makita's circular saw lineup, built for commercial applications. The saw has big capacity and long service life, but with less weight. It has a magnesium die-cast blade case and guard, and an aluminum base for durability. It has a large cutting and bevel capacity, and precision gearing with ball and needle bearing design.
We're on Kiwa Island doing interior woodwork on the finest homes in the area. Yeah, this is a great step in between the two, the giant one and the regular 7 1/4 that we have. It weighs, not that much, but it's in control, but it has plenty of motor. I like it a lot.
Yeah, very lightweight, easy to use, a good grip, and cuts well.
When I saw it, I thought it was going to be really heavy. When I used it, I was surprised at the fact that it was lightweight. Some applications like ripping, once you get started ripping and pull the guide back, you kind of need that front handle because it's such a large saw. But yes, once I did use it, it felt comfortable. It's not a knob. I like the fact that it's a longer handle. You can just kind of push on it or you can grip it. I would definitely recommend it to other framers. We haven't used it for an extended period of time, but from what I've seen today, it could definitely find a spot in the trailer.